Hey everybody, Tommy here with Gavins Point Rec, bringing you a 245ML. This unit is going to have solar panels on the roof, electric stabilizer jacks, tankless water heater. Let's go check out the inside. Inside the 245ML, we are going to have a nice theater seat across from a pull-out desk. Up above there, we are going to have the guest loft that does have a second AC unit up there. Back through the galley kitchen, we are going to have a full width bathroom in the rear of this unit with a residential shower. And then in this kitchen, there is washer and dryer prep for a combo unit. And then up top, the spiral staircase here, we do have the king loft with fireplace. Can't wait to see you down here at Gavins Point Rec under the big American flag on your way to the lake.